If you found this video, you've probably heard the term passive income before, but you might not be sure exactly how it works or even what passive income really is. So, the good news is you're in the right place, so stick around. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how passive income works, what are some good sources to generate passive income from, and how to do it yourself. Stay tuned. Well, hello and welcome to the Datapreneur YouTube channel. My name is Dom, and on this channel we talk about everything that is online business and affiliate marketing. So if that's something that you're into, consider subscribing. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly what passive income is and how passive income works. So without any further ado, let's get to it. First off, let's start with what passive income is not. Okay, I know there's a lot of internet gurus out there who talk about passive income being just a bunch of, the money comes in without any kind of work. It's something you can just click a button and your bank account's going to start filling up. And that is not what passive income is. Passive income needs to be built up over time. It needs some setup. And in the beginning, it requires a little bit of work without any pay. So if you can delay gratification, passive income does hit a point where you can sit on the proverbial beach and just have money flow into your account, but it doesn't happen right away. That being said though, anyone can do it with the right habits and consistent action. All right, let's take a second here and let's compare what passive income is versus active income. Now, active income is what you would earn at your job. It's something that you actively trade your time for money. So for instance, if you go to a job and you work a 9 to 5, you get paid for 8 hours of your time, either hourly or you get paid for a year's worth of work and you're given a salary, say $50,000 a year or $25 an hour. Okay. With active income, if you don't work, you don't get paid. It's as simple as that. Because you're trading time for money with active income, it's very, very hard to scale because you can only be paid so much per hour and you don't have any leverage. I mean, if you stop working on something, you immediately stop getting paid. Passive income, on the other hand, is completely different. Passive income is not tied to your time spent working, but rather tied to an asset that you build. This could be in the form of real estate rental income, YouTube income, or something income from a blog that you build. Really, it's tied to an asset, not an amount of time. Passive income generally comes from something that you build once, and then you get paid forever on it. Like the YouTube videos and like the blogs, I can create a video and then I could potentially still be getting paid on it 3, 5, 6, 7, 10 years down the line. As long as it stays relevant, people are still watching, I'm still going to get paid on that video I produced, even though I'm not actively shooting another video. This means that I can stop actively working on something and still get paid. Building a passive income stream is an excellent retirement plan. For those of you who are a little bit more visual, let's compare active income versus passive income, okay? First, we have this boulder. Now, let's say that you get paid to move the boulder from the left side of the screen to the right side of the screen. Here we have you. Active income would be simply like you just pushing the boulder across the screen and getting paid each time you move it. Problem is, once you stop pushing, the boulder stops moving and you stop getting paid. Let's compare this to passive income. We start with the same boulder, except we build our selling asset. That would be like a ramp. This is our blog, this is our YouTube video, this is our rental property. Whatever it is, we have to build this. But when we build this, we're actually not getting paid because the rock isn't moving. We then have to pick the rock up and put it on top of the ramp. Might feel like we're Atlas picking up the world. Again, still not getting paid. We move this up to the top of the ramp, but once we get there, all it takes is a little push and the rock will keep rolling down the ramp onto infinity, collecting us money along the way. So that is the difference between active and passive income. Passive income in the beginning, you don't really get paid, but all it takes is a little push once it gets going. This part here is what all the gurus show you, is they show you the money rolling in without you doing any actual work, but they neglect to show you building the ramp and picking the rock up. Here are some examples of common passive income sources. The first of which being Hollywood movie royalties. Let's take Christopher Lloyd in Back to the Future. Back when Back to the Future was made in 1985, Christopher Lloyd got paid for when he shot it, But now any time that movie is shown on TV, Christopher Lloyd will still make a revenue. He'll still make it paid just because the movie is being played, even though he's obviously not actively acting anymore. Song downloads are the same way. A popular recording artist records a song, it gets downloaded from iTunes. Every time that song gets played, they earn money. Book sales. An author will write a book, and then every time a book is sold, either on Amazon or in print or wherever, every time a book is sold, that author still gets paid, even though they've only built the thing once. Insurance agents get paid the same way. Once somebody buys an insurance policy, they have to renew the policy every single year, and they keep paying their premium. An insurance agent will get paid every single time their customer renews their insurance premium. I've already discussed this, but we have real estate rental income. That's obviously every time a tenant pays rent, the landlord gets paid. And then here's my personal favorite, is online affiliate sales. This is basically what I do and everything that I talk about on my channel. You create something online, a piece of content, be it a blog, be it a YouTube video, a podcast, a TikTok, a Facebook post, whatever it is. And then you just simply drive traffic to it. When people stumble across it, they like what they see. If you're promoting a product, if people buy that product, you're going to get paid as long as that content is up and live. Now you're probably thinking, how do I make passive income? Because I'm not making a Hollywood movie. I'm not writing a best-selling book. I really don't want to be an insurance agent, and I don't have the money to buy real estate. Well, the good news is that pretty much anybody can get into affiliate marketing and make online affiliate sales. Just a few steps that you need. First, you need to just find a product to promote. You need to create a selling asset, which is either a landing page and an email sequence, something that actually sells your product for you, even though you don't actually have to be present. And then you need to create a passive traffic asset. This is an asset. This is a piece of content, a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast. TikTok profile is semi-passive, but you want to have something that once you create it, it's on the internet forever. I mean, how many YouTube videos do you come across that might be 8, 9, or 10 years old right now? How many blog posts that are from 2012 that are still showing up in Google? You want something you can create that people are going to find forever. I listed TikTok profiles on here because TikTok posts do last for about 6 months. If you create social media posts, they are not passive. You know, if you post something on Facebook, if you post something on Instagram, it's typically gone in a day. The second you stop posting on social media, you're going to stop making money from your affiliate sales. So social media is not passive despite what others might tell you. True passive income and true passive traffic comes from search-related content. Now, if you want to learn how to start generating some passive income for yourself, you can actually subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me at all of my other content channels linked in the description below. But if you want step-by-step instruction, I also have a training link down there that will show you how to get set up to start creating some passive income within 15 days. Hopefully this video has made your understanding of passive income crystal clear, and I've inspired you to start creating some for yourself. Take care. Hey, if you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will share this video with more people. And then hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it when a new video gets released. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. If you want to get started in affiliate marketing yourself, check out the link in the description for my free affiliate starter kit.